मोहन घर आओ, करो जो दरिया। 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 मान करो अभिमान बोलो, मान करो अभिमान बोलो। मान करो अभिमान बोलो। भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिड़िया। भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिड़िया। मोहन घर आओ, करो जो दरिया। मोहन घर आओ, करो जो दरिया। निकट सुनो अर पे खो नाही। निकट सुनो अर पे खो नाही। निकट सुनो अर पे खो नाही। परम परम दुख परिया। परम परम दुख परिया। होय कृपाल गुर लाए पार दो। होय कृपाल गुर लाए पार दो। होय कृपाल गुर लाए पार दो। मिलो लाल मन अभिमान बोलो मान करो, अभिमान बोलो भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिया, भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिया। मोहन घर आओ करो जो दरिया, मोहन घर आओ करो जो दरिया। एक निमक जे बिसरे स्वामी, एक निमक जे बिसरे स्वामी। एक निमक जे बिसरे स्वामी, एक निमक जे बिसरे स्वामी। जानो कोट बिनस लख बरिया, जानो कोट बिनस लख बरिया। साध संगत की पीड़ जो पाए, साध संगत की पीड़ जो पाए। साध संगत की पीड़ जो पाए, साध संगत की पीड़ जो पाए। तो नानक हर संग लिया, तो नानक हर संग मेरिया। मोहन घर आओ करो जो हरिया, मोहन घर आओ करो जो हरिया। मान करो अभिमान बोलो मान करो, अभिमान बोलो भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिया। मोहन घर आओ करो जो दरिया, In this Shabad, Guru Arjan Dev Ji puts forth a heartfelt prayer, Jodariya, to Vaheguru. The Guru wishes to experience and unite with his Mohan. Mohan, ghar aavo karo jo dariya. His prayer reveals the key element of humbleness, Nimrata. And this is evident when the Guru says, मान करो अभिमान बोलो, मान करो अभिमान बोलो, भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिड़िया. O my beloved Mohan, I indulge in self-esteem, self-pride. My speech is egotistic. Even though I make mistakes, I commit errors. My Mohan, you still allow me to come to you, to hold on to you. And it is this experience of God, this feeling of oneness, which enables one to achieve an internal state of stability and peacefulness. This Shabad describes to us that this peaceful state is possible. It is indeed achievable. It is not out of reach. The Guru says, Nikud suno arpe khonae, nikud suno arpe khonae, param param dukh hariya. Hear this, my devotees. That experience of oneness, it is not somewhere far away, but within yourself. One need not wander in distress in search of the truth. It is a matter of looking within yourself, tapping into the very core of who you are as an individual. This spiritual journey begins when we surrender to the Guru and become victorious with his wisdom, his word, his Shabad. When we accept the word as our guide, our teacher, our leader for life, and when we contemplate and reflect upon the word with dedication and love, then it is the grace of the Guru which removes the wall between us and the experience of oneness. The Guru says, Hoye kirpal gur laaye paar do, hoye kirpal gur laaye paar do, milo laal man hariya. And the wall is nothing more but our ego. That ego which makes us think only for ourselves. That ego which makes us act and behave in ways which benefit only ourselves, regardless of how it affects others. And Shabad is that force. It is that power capable of destroying the enemy, the ego. And it is at that moment when the experience of oneness, the spiritual journey, begins. The Guru describes such a state. He says, Ek nimak je bisre Swami, ek nimak je bisre Swami, jano kot dinas lakh bariya. He describes such a state, and he says, I cannot bear to be away from this experience of oneness for even an instant. Separation for even an instant seems to be forever. And he says, in the end, it was when I joined the company of true devotees, where the vibration of Shabad was felt, that is when I came to begin the spiritual journey. Sadh sangat ki peed jo paaye, sadh sangat ki peed jo paaye, to nanak har sang mere aa, to nanak har sang mere aa, mohan ghar aao, karo jo dariya, mohan ghar aao, karo jo dariya. मान करो अभिमान बोलो, मान करो अभिमान बोलो, भूल चूक तेरी प्रिय चिड़िया, मोहन घर आओ, करो जो दरिया, मोहन घर आओ, करो जो दरिया, मोहन घर आओ।